Let's solve one more question. Now in this question he is saying a welding gas contains carbon and hydrogen only. It means that it is a hydrocarbon, right? Burning a small sample in oxygen gives 3.38 gram of carbon dioxide. Now this 3.38 gram of CO2 will give us the amount of carbon that is present in this welding fuel and 0.69 gram of water. This will give us the amount of hydrogen that is present in this welding fuel. A volume of 10 liter measured at STP of this welding gas is found to weigh 11.6 gram. This will give us the molar mass of the gas, also the molecular formula mass of the gas. Let's solve the question. Now everybody know that hydrocarbon on combustion gives CO2 and H2, right? So hydrocarbon on combustion will give CO2 and H2O. Now amount of CO2 is given to us, that is 3.38 grams. Amount of water is 0.69 grams. So now we have to find out the amount of carbon from this CO2 and amount of hydrogen from this water, right? So how we will do that? We know that 44 gram of carbon dioxide contains 12 gram of carbon. Therefore 3.38 gram of CO2 will contain weight of carbon that will be 12 by 44 into 3.38, right? And that will be equal to 0.92 grams. So 44 grams of CO2 contains 12 gram of carbon. 3.38 grams of CO2 will contain 0.92 grams of carbon. This question is a perfect blend of empirical formula and stoichiometry. Now, weight of hydrogen. (18 gram of water contains 2 gram of hydrogen. 0.69 gram of water will contain 2 by 18 into 0.69 gram of hydrogen, and that is equal to 0.077 grams, right? So this is the weight of carbon present in the carbon dioxide. This is the weight of hydrogen present in water. And from where this carbon and hydrogen are coming? These were present in this hydrocarbon. So if we add them, we will get the weight of this particular hydrocarbon, which is our welding gas, right? So that will be equal to (0.92) plus 0.077, and that is equal to 0.997 grams. Now, what we have to do, we have to find out the percentage of carbon and hydrogen. So, the weight of the carbon is carbon percentage. The weight of the carbon is 0.92 gram. So, 0. The total weight so this is the weight of the carbon and this is the weight of the hydrocarbon. So, what we will get? Weight of the carbon upon weight of the hydrocarbon into 100, we will get carbon percentage, and the carbon percentage is 92.3. Similarly, for hydrogen, the hydrogen percentage will be equal to 0.077 divided by 0.997 into 100, and that is equal to 7.7%. Now, we have the carbon percentage, we have the hydrogen percentage. First, we have to find out the empirical formula, then we can find out the molecular formula. Let's find out the empirical formula. So, we have discussed in the past that how we can find the empirical formula. We have few steps for that. First, we have to write the elements. Element is carbon and hydrogen. The weight or the percentage is 92.3 and 7.7. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 and that of hydrogen is 1. Now, we have to find out the number of moles. Number of moles is equal to given weight upon molar mass. Therefore, it will be 92.3 divided by 12 is equal to 7.7, and for hydrogen it is 7.7 divided by 1 is equal to 7.7. So, which is the least number? They both are same. So, if they both are same, the ratio will be 1 and the 1. Since they are whole number, so no need to do anything, just write as it is. So, the empirical formula will be the will be CH. The empirical formula of mass